Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gates 3 Designs, and I'm back with another episode. Here I have some townhomes that I designed in Revit 2019 and exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. Here again we have a blank canvas to do what we want, add some materials using Thea Render 2.0. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and let's go. So for these pop outs, I think I want to do different brick. I'm going to do like a brick for the pop outs and then maybe a siding on this pop out. We'll go ahead and take it all the way down to the bottom. Go ahead and do all sides here. Okay. Now on this next one, I want to try a different brick. I'm going to import a image that I downloaded. Let's see here. It should be a JPEG. Yeah. Need to select a different brick. There we go. So I just had to select a different brick and then do the match color on screen. So let's go ahead and add that here. Alright, I don't need this anymore. Move over to here. Okay, and for this one, we'll just go ahead and pick a brick out of here. I'm leaning towards yellowish or orange. Well, I like the sand here. Let's see how this matches with the others. Let's see here. Could go a little darker, but I kind of, no, I actually like it. I actually like this. Okay. So we have our brick now, and it kind of helps show that these are four different buildings. Just to give it its own residence and its own identity, you'll sometimes do like a different brick or a different material. Now we can go in and let's try this pop out here and see what siding we want to add. Oops. Okay. Go ahead and finish off over here also. Okay. Yeah, I like it dark like that, so. Alright, so now let's add some roof material. Let's go in here and SketchUp. Make sure I'm inside the model. Alright, dark roof. Let's see. Oops. Okay, that one works actually. Trying to find one that'll work with all of them because I want to do the same roof material. This one actually works really well. Let's go ahead and add this. Okay. Alright, shed roof. Okay, I'm really liking this. Now at about this point is where I would check out the rendering and see what I got going on. And I think in this rendering, I'm gonna go ahead and add some 3D models, like some people walking, pedestrians, cars, because there's parking spaces in front of each unit. Let's check out and see what we got. Nice. I think I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit. I want to get everything. Um, but I really like what we have so far, so let's go ahead and continue. And also, we'll go ahead and hit the windows. Let's see, something like that maybe. Yep, that works. All right, let's go ahead and hit the windows. Give them some transparent glass textures, and I think I want to add some shutters also. Alright, so we have our gutters, our downspouts, we got our doors, our garage doors and windows, and materials, our brick and our siding. Now, at this point, test the rendering, see what we got going. Right before I start to add, 3D cars, 3D people, and exterior lighting. Let's go ahead and check out the rendering here. Nice. It's looking really nice, especially with the transparent windows now. The glass windows, it's looking a lot better. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start to add some 3D stuff, some cars and people strolling the streets and some vegetation and things like that. So that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks.